ChatGPT has many functions in addition to answering simple questions, such as composing essays, describing art in great detail, creating AI art prompts, having philosophical conversations, and even coding for you. Since its release, the public has been playing with ChatGPT and seeing what it can do. But how does ChatGPT actually work? Before understanding ChatGPT, you have to understand the basic terminology of machine learning so that you do not face any problem while understanding ChatGPT. So first of all, let's talk about reinforcement learning. Reinforcement is the field of machine learning that involves learning without the involvement of any human interaction, as it has an agent that learns how to behave in an environment by performing actions and then learn based upon the outcome of these actions, to obtain the required goal that is set by the system to accomplish. Based upon the type of goals, it is classified as positive and negative learning methods with their application in the field of healthcare, education, computer vision, games, NLP, transportation, etc. Let us try to do the working of reinforcement learning with the help of two simple use cases. There is a baby in the family, and she has just started walking, and everyone is quite happy about it. So one day, the parents try to set a goal: let us baby reach the couch, and see if the baby is able to do so. The baby successfully reaches the couch, and thus everyone in the family is very happy to see this. The chosen path now comes with a positive reward. The baby was not able to reach the couch, and the baby falls to some obstacles, and she cries. So next time baby will not go on the way on which he fallen. In the same way, reinforcement learning works and it learns from its mistakes. So let's talk about the second terminology, that is supervised learning. Supervised learning is the process of making an algorithm to learn to map an input to a particular output. This is achieved using the labeled datasets that you have collected. If the mapping is correct, the algorithm has successfully learned. Else, you make the necessary changes to the algorithm so that it can learn correctly. Supervised learning algorithms can help make predictions for new unseen data that we obtain later in the future. Now let's talk about the last terminology, that is language model. Language is such a powerful medium of communication. A language model is a statistical tool to predict words. Language models try to find patterns in the human language. They are used to predict the spoken word in an audio recording, the next word in a sentence, and which email is spam. Language models are more challenging for modelers to use because language is complex. Language has layers of meaning. The meaning of language depends largely on context, and small variations in the words of sentences can vastly change the sentence's meaning. So before proceeding further, I have a request to you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can bring videos like this in my channel. I hope that you have subscribed to the channel, so let's move towards our video. The creators have used a combination of both supervised learning and reinforcement learning to fine-tune ChatGPT, but it is the reinforcement learning component specifically that makes ChatGPT unique. ChatGPT is the latest language model from OpenAI and represents a significant improvement over its predecessor GPT-3. Similarly to many large language models, ChatGPT is capable of generating text in a wide range of styles and for different purposes. ChatGPT is a type of language model that uses a combination of machine learning, natural language processing, and artificial intelligence to generate text. It's a powerful tool for businesses to quickly generate natural-sounding conversations, create customer service or customer experience content, and improve customer interactions. ChatGPT is trained using large collections of text and conversations, usually collected in the form of chat logs, emails, and other customer interactions. The training data is used to teach the model how to understand and generate language. The model takes an input sentence and looks for similar sentences in its training data set. It then provides a response that is similar to what it sees in the data. In order to make ChatGPT more intelligent and better at understanding natural language, it is trained on a range of tasks such as sentiment analysis, question answering, and summarization. This helps the model better understand human language and generate more accurate and natural-sounding responses. Once trained, Chatgpt can be used to generate conversation and content for customer service and customer experience applications. For example, it can be used to generate automated emails that provide customers with additional information and resolve customer inquiries. It can also be used by customer service teams to quickly generate conversational responses to customer inquiries. In addition to customer service and customer experience applications, Chatgpt can be used to generate marketing and promotional content. It can be used to generate blog posts and web copy that is tailored to customers' interests and needs. Overall, Chatgpt is a powerful tool for businesses to quickly generate natural-sounding conversations and content. By training the model on a range of tasks, businesses can create more accurate and natural-sounding customer interactions, providing better customer service and customer experience.